So today I'm making my version of Yucca con mojo, and I begin with some garlic and some red onions that I'm just gonna saute the garlic in about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use your favorite oil. And I have my yucca that I just boiled, and we're just gonna have the yucca on the side while I prepare this dish. After mixing everything together and sauteing my onions real nice, I add a little bit of spices. This is the end result. I just pour my onion mixture over my yucca and I am ready to eat. Guys, you really need to try this one. It is so delicious. Check it out in your neck of the woods. This is Yardie TV and I'm just giving you a quick one today.